Customer called for no AC. Look at this, it's running, but it's 77, so no AC. So we gotta go downstairs and check the unit, what's going on. Looks like the blower motor is shot. Got the blower motor and the capacitor. We're gonna swap out the capacitor and the motor in this unit. Let's turn off the power first. Easy way to remove, to just cut those wires. The motor gonna come up easily. Gotta secure this panel so it doesn't come on the way. Easy access. We need a different socket for that. Look at this, all the fucking hair that causing them to burn out the water because it wasn't throwing enough air. Look at all the hairs. That's fucked up. So we have to clean the blower motor also. Sorry, not the blower motor, but the wheel. But look at the oil inside, it was pretty bad. So that wheel comes out easily. Sometimes it's stuck, so we gotta use the pulley to pull the water out. But in case, I don't know, we'll see. Looks like a solid jam. I don't think it's gonna move. Looks like we gotta use the pulley to get this motor out. Meanwhile, we're also gonna clean this coil, the wheel. Sorry.